Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest. Do you want to take your crochet skills to the next level? Well, in this video, I am going to show you simple braid tips that will make you crochet like a pro, even if you are a beginner. From choosing the right technique to creating stunning crochet braid styles. These easy to follow tips will help you achieve professional looking results. Yes, so grab your latch hook and your hair and let's get started on this crochet braid journey together.
Slide the crochet tool through like showing. Pull the hair through, then you're going to go through the loop and you're going to knot it about 3 times just to secure it. This technique is so that there is not a knot at the beginning of the cornrow. This will alleviate any tension at the beginning of the cornrow because this is supposed to be a protective style, right? So try this technique and I hope this helped. Follow to see more tutorials.